is the web-based payroll solution for today's growing companies, with a special invoicing program for staffing, security, and PEO firms. It provides you with the account maintenance ability of dedicated HR packages and the ability to invoice customers who utilize your services. As you'll see in this demo, NetPay Pro makes payroll processing and customer invoicing a snap. After your initial setup, NetPay Pro allows you to add, edit, and maintain all employee and customer information with just a few clicks. You'll never have to request changes to critical employee or customer data. With NetPay Pro, your payroll processing for any period begins with a review of how many days and weeks are to be included in the current payroll cycle. If the payroll period is correct, you'll select customers that you wish to invoice for your billable services. NetPay Pro allows you to display your entire customer list, a specific customer, or all of your customers whose names begin with a specified letter. After choosing a customer to invoice, the next step is to choose a specific employee who's performed services on that customer's behalf. You can display all of your employees associated with that customer, a specific employee, or a list of all employees whose names begin with a letter entered into the find screen. Note that the display includes the address and social security number, so you can easily distinguish between employees who have the same name. Now you're ready to enter the actual work week data. You can override the default pay period if an employee forgets to turn in a time card 1 week. Instead of a 5-day, 1-week period, you can indicate that the current payroll cycle for this individual is a 10-day, 2-week period. After accepting or changing the payroll period, you'll enter the employee's pay rate, the billing rate, and the number of units the employee worked during the payroll period, according to specific earnings codes. NetPay Pro allows you to define your own codes for regular hourly wages, overtime, vacation, and any others that are appropriate for your business. It also allows you to define units in terms of hours, miles, sticks and stats, or whatever measures are appropriate for you and your customers. And if you need to departmentalize the employee's work, you can allocate time to specific branch locations, specific functions, or specific activities. Finally, you can hold a one-time deduction amount for a given payroll cycle. Once you've completed the payroll data entry for an employee, NetPay Pro enables you to rapidly cycle through other employees in the company, or switch to other companies to be invoiced. At any time during the payroll data input process, you can display and print all of the payroll activity you'll be processing, so you can verify it against other records and make changes if necessary. All set to process your data? NetPay Pro will display a screen with all of your entries, allowing you to review the data and make corrections before the payroll processing and check printing begins. NetPay Pro. No wonder it's the premier payroll processing and customer invoicing business for today's growing companies.